Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture video. We are actually discussing about the loss functions in deep learning. We were discussing about regression loss function. Now we will move on to the next type of loss function. It is binary classification loss functions. Binary classification is a type of a supervised learning problem where the goal is to categorize data into two classes or the two categories, typically denoted as 0 means no and 1 means positive or yes. In binary classification, various loss functions can be used to measure the difference between the predicted class probabilities and actual class labels. It is divided into binary cross entropy loss, hinge loss, 0-1 loss, or the classification error. Binary loss function. Binary cross entropy loss is also known as log loss, is a common loss function used in binary classification task. Binary classification means classifying either as 0 or 1. 0 means non-occurrence of an event or absence of an object. 1 means occurrence of an event or presence of an object. For that we use the binary loss function. It measures the dissimilarity between the predicted probabilities and the actual binary labels. The formula for binary cross entropy loss is binary cross entropy y comma y cap. So y cap, when we have it is predicted value, is minus of y log of y cap plus 1 minus y log of 1 minus y cap. So here y cap is the predicted value, okay, and y is the actual value. And here basically we are finding out the difference. What is the difference between the predicted value and the final value? Because we have 1 minus y, 1 minus y cap, which is just opposite of y and y cap. So we are basically finding out the difference between y, that is predicted value, and the actual value. Here y is the actual binary label, which can be either 0 or 1. Y is the predicted probability that the given data points belongs to a positive class or class 1. Binary loss function. Hinge loss, next one, is also known as support vector machine loss. Is a loss function commonly used in support vector machines and related classification algorithms. It's particularly suitable for linear classifiers and aims to maximize the margin of separation between the classes. Margin of separation means, we have seen in the support vector machine, the hyperplane between the two classes. The formula for hinge loss or SVM loss is as follows. Hinge of y comma y cap. What is y cap? Y cap is the predicted value, y is the actual value. This max of 0 comma 1 minus y into y cap, where hinge of y cap represents the hinge loss, y is the actual binary label, which can be either negative class by minus 1 or positive class 1. Y cap is the raw decision value or the score or the prediction assigned by the classifier for a data point. It is not a probability. The formula calculates the loss for each data and returns the maximum 0 and min 1 or 1 minus y cap. 0 means no loss. Y 1 minus y cap means there is a heavy loss, because we are getting the value just opposite to y and y cap. Okay, then binary loss function. Binary means 0 1. So 0 1 loss counts the number of misclassified examples and assigns a value of 0 for the correct classification and 1 for the incorrect classifications. So 0 minus 1 y of y is 0 if y is equal to y cap. It is 0 if y is equal to y cap, means if the predicted value is equal to actual value. If y not equal to y cap, then we give value as 1. 0 1 y cap represents 0 1 loss. Y is the actual binary label, 0 or 1 for a data point. Y cap is the predicted binary label, 0 or 1 for the same data point. Okay, so in next video we will see other loss functions. Thank you.